Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we got a very special unboxing or something. I'm not sure what it is actually. Something coming in from Shane. I know in the past he's sent some stuff, but I have no idea what this is. I can't recall a conversation or discussion about anything, but that doesn't mean we didn't have it or I haven't forgotten. I've been known to forget things, but you know, let's take a look together. All right, today we're opening my box here from Shane with my 8020S, the EnjoyMusic 20 Slim knife here with a shark lock. This is a well-wrapped box, so this is very sealed. I don't know if something he loaned to me and we discussed, if there's something I'm supposed to be looking at or what. I don't know, to be quite honest. Might be a loaner. You could definitely see that. All right, it's heavy though. What do we have in here? Oh my. Oh, look at this. Look at the eagles. Oh my gosh. What the heck? This is awesome. I love it. Rebel Rouser 777. Yes, we did discuss this. Now I recall. Oh, look at this. You got little lanyards. This is a huge box. Oh my goodness. Caveman EDC, that's cool. Okay, we got to read this. What does it say in here? So, okay, more stickers. We've got the Syndicate Lounge. Oh, wow, that's cool. 50 ways. 50 ways. Oh, this is cool. More stickers, man. We definitely going to be adding these to the stickers list. That is super cool. And my goodness, look at this. Would you look at this? Oh, the Syndicate Lounge. Wow. More of the challenge coins for veterans. I love these things. I gave one to my brother, so super, super cool. Look at that. If you don't know what these are veteran, proud of you, loyalty, veterans, respect, honor, courage. And it says back here, thank you for your service. These are super, super cool coins. And then, of course, we got some eagles with that. Who doesn't need an eagle with a coin? And then we got, it looks like some Hanks and stuff. What do we have in here? Like little Hank bags, 50 ways Hank for knives. That is cool. That's a nice way to protect your knife. This looks like this would be great for a pin or a balisong or something like that. I like this. This is kind of like a corduroy. That's really cool. Really, really neat. And then we've got more coins. Wow. That is simply amazing. Look at all these coins. Freaking cool. And then we got a huge letter here. What do we got? More stickers. Oh, Rebel Rouser. Okay, I've got some of these. Oh, that's some new stickers. Oh, that's some new stickers. I like these. Look at that. That is cool. That is cool right there. Look at that. Merca. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is awesome, man. All right, so if you don't know, Rebel Rouser 777, he's donated some of these awesome challenge coins before, and I like to include them in the giveaways. And it's what we do is, like, if you're a veteran and you win a giveaway, then this coin would be for you, right? Thank you for your service. If you win a giveaway and one of these coins is in there, and the challenge for you is to find a veteran and go tell them thank you for their service. Give this to a veteran. That's that. Now it looks like we got some little patriotic eagles in a little bag here. So it looks like, you know, maybe an eagle and a, there. And then we have a couple of lanyards here. These are cool. Okay, little lanyards with a little lock loop there. So that's nice. You can hook, something on your belt like that. And you got the Syndicate right there. And you got Caveman EDC. And over here we have all these cool stickers right here. 50 ways. Is it backwards? Oh, it's upside down. I'm not sure which way to read that. 50 ways. Here we go. 50 ways. That's cool. Then we got SK EDC. We've given some of those shark fin knuckles away. Those are super cool. Wow. We got a whole bunch of these stickers. That's nice. And then we've got the Syndicate Lounge 2025. I need to think, if this is the Syndicate Lounge, I think you have to be invited to be part of that. So that's something really cool. But that's really neat. Look at that. So look at all these amazing. Thank you, Rebel Rouser. Appreciate you donating this to the channel. These are amazing. These are amazing. I love the eagles, by the way. These are super cool. They're so cool. I wish I could keep one, but these are going to be for folks, right? Just really blows me away. And then I love these little knife pouch holders and stuff like that. So we're going to definitely put some of these in here so you can see that. Let's kind of throw that in there so we can see what's going on. We need to make sure we get a good view of all of that, right? So we'll do that, and we'll have the pouch over here. We'll do this right here. Let's throw this up here, right? And then we've got some awesome stickers for 50 Ways and SK EDC with the shark fin. And then we have some of his new stickers right here, which I love that. I love that. Now I have a bunch of these and I love giving these away, but now we have a couple of new stickers that he came out with. I love this. This is like the Great Outdoors. Looks like the Rockies or something like that. I think that might be the Rockies. I'm not sure. Here, that could be the Rockies too. Different view of the mountain. That's super cool. Thank you. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you donating these for the giveaways. I will absolutely use them toward the giveaway, Shane. I really do appreciate you supporting the channel like this and the giveaways. I love to highlight stuff like that. If you guys haven't had a chance, go check out Shane, Rebel Rouser 777. Of course, I'll have his YouTube channel linked down below in the description for sure. But thank you to him. And this will be a fun little video. We'll just have this right at the maybe a second video throughout the day. So you just kind of see some stuff that's coming in, but just the kind of people that are in the community. I really, really appreciate them. So thank you. Thank you so much. That's what makes this community, got a little cardboard on top of that one, make this community amazing. So, all right. Well, if you found this content fun, interesting, really cool, like I do, consider hitting that like button down below. And if you've already hit the like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the channel really does help out, allows the channel to grow, to produce more content, do more things, ultimately more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who supports the channel as part of the community. You guys are amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Channel members, you guys, oh, before that, if you haven't already, consider hitting the notification button so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And channel members, thank you for your support. You do two things for me. You encourage me just by your memberships. I don't do this full time, so your support's huge. Secondly, because of your generous support supporting the channel, you allow me to do things sooner than I thought I could. For instance, to be able to do the giveaways, be able to ship, cover the cost of shipping, check out knives, borrowed knives, things like that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys so very much. I want to do two things for channel members above and beyond, right? Brand new channel members, email me your name and address so I can mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. That's the first thing. Secondly, if you, any channel member, you're eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we do a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week a month, we'll have two giveaways. You could win both. You're eligible for both. And I try to make sure it's a giveaway, something that's a little bit nicer than a budget banger, something you would enjoy winning a surprise or giving as a gift, right? It's my small way to say thank you. That sounds cool. There's a link down below in the description. I have 3 different tiers. Would love to have you at any of those tiers. If you choose to do so, please don't feel pressured. Don't do it if you do. But if you do, thank you. Thank you. Sincerely, thank you. Some of you guys are going to say, hey, I thought there's more. There's emojis. Yes, of course there's emojis you can use here in comments and live stream. Yes, there's kazoo salutes during the live stream for your monthly anniversaries. Yes, there's 1 year, 2 year, 3 year special anniversary stuff. Yes, there's exclusive members content. All that's true. All that's true. That's just for you guys. For me to say thank you. It's never enough, but it's a small way for me to say how much I appreciate you. All right. Well, I appreciate you guys. If you haven't already, maybe check me out over on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.